We are headed to Churchill Island, which is just over there. And it is not only a really iconic tourist spot for coming to Phillip Island, but it is also a wedding venue. And it has so many animals, the best views. It is elegance and just so cool. I cannot wait to show you. So we have arrived at Churchill Island on a beautiful Wednesday afternoon, just as it's heading onto golden hour. It is located right off another island which you might be aware of, known as Phillip Island. So if you've dreamed of getting married on your own private island, this might be a really good option. Churchill Island covers 50.7 hectares, and after European arrival, Churchill Island was the first European garden established in 1801, complete with wheat and corn. Today, the whole place feels like stepping into a time capsule. The historic homestead has been beautifully restored with an 1872 heritage house and barn, plus 2 original cottages from the 1860s. They're all filled with character and an incredible collection of the National Trust furniture, which makes the whole scene feel like the past is still quietly living here. It's still home to a historic working farm. Visitors can experience hands-on farming demonstrations with sheep shearing, cow milking, and working dog demonstrations. I headed over to the shearing shed, and of course it has some wool there that you can feel. Oh my goodness, it was so soft. Headed back into the barn because I wanted to say hi to all of the animals. Oh, hello. Walk on. Oh. Had guinea pigs as well. And of course the shy rabbit in the corner who honestly looked petrified, but these gardens are absolutely amazing for wedding photography options. I mean, the views are stunning. I've said it once and I'll say it again. It is amazing. This is literally my dream. Literally my dream. Alright. And the horsies. Hello. You're like, stop it. No more. Hi. Is he okay? Tell you what, it is an animal paradise here. Look at this view. Now that we know the lay of the land, We are going to talk weddings. This open space is used for lawn games and also as a ceremony space. It looks directly out over the water, and as you can see, it's so idyllic. You've got the sheep there as well. So we have a few spaces available for your wedding reception, and we have that open lawn space down the bottom. You can put a marquee up and it will seat about 120 seats or around 200 people standing. If you are having more of an intimate wedding, then there is the decking area as an outdoor space for 25 people seated and 40 people standing. And inside the cafe, you can also have more of an intimate setting of around 21 seats and 31 people standing. The facilities include a Wi-Fi. Free parking is available on site for about 100 spaces, which I will show you later. And then it also comes with the PA systems and speakers, as well as a storage space. There are many more facilities there. However, it is a no BYO alcohol. This venue does provide alcohol.